Welcome everyone. Today is Monday, 19th January 2026, and this is my weekly trading setup, which these are trades which I'm interested to enter this week. So I do have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I do have 9 pairs added to my red list. This means these are pairs that I'm interested to enter this week. So let's get down on it. So starting off, we have NZD USD. So on NZD USD, I do have the head and left shoulder pattern. So the left shoulder, we do have the head, we do have the right shoulder. Price actually retested the neckline, then didn't continue the trade. So when the session actually opens, when landing session actually opens, it actually caused this shoot. So I'm no more interested in this pair anymore, because I was actually waiting for the break and the retest, and price actually did it perfectly, but the sellers couldn't hold the market, so the buyers pushed the market to the recent daily higher low, the daily lower high rather. So this means we are currently bullish on the daily time frame. So let me update this. Alright, so on the daily time frame, we are now bullish. We are now bullish on the daily time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame, I would say the 4-hour is still doing its thing. Price actually just tapped into another area of interest. So I was actually willing to enter this trade based off the retest of this neckline over here. This was the neckline. But when price actually tapped, the sellers couldn't control the market. So the buyers actually took the market to the up. So I think I'm no more interested in this NZD USD. Let's go straight up to the next pair. So the next pair, we do have USD card. So on USD card, I do have my indicators over here telling me that on the weekly we are bearish. Yes, on the weekly we are bearish, because price actually needs to break this weekly high before we can say we're bullish. So the weekly we are bearish. On the daily we are bullish. We are in a bullish trend. So all on the 4-hour is also bullish. So this means I do have 2 time frame in my sync, 2 consecutive time frame syncing together. So the daily is bullish, the 4-hour is bullish, so that means we are looking for buying. So I actually can just buy because the market is actually bullish. So I do want to see a perfect retest at this area of interest, which price is currently doing. So when I'll check in later to see what's actually happened. So I do want to see price to actually tap this area, give me the doji candle, so actually tells me that the moment price actually tap this area, the sellers couldn't hold the market longer, so the buyers actually step in. So after the doji, I'm just going to enter based on the bullish engulfing candlestick. I see then probably target a 1:2 reward ratio. Yes, so I do want to see my perfect confirmations have maybe probably 80 90 pips take profit, 30 pips stop loss, 30 pips stop loss. So this is actually a perfect trade. So this USD card. So next we're going to our next pair. This Euro USD. On Euro USD, I do want to enter this sell because the overall market, the weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish. This is telling me that sellers are highly controlling the market. So price just tapped my area of interest. This is a daily area of interest. So price just tapped the area of interest. So I'll go to the 1 hour time frame. Coming, I think I hide this area of interest. Coming, visibility, yeah, perfect. So to check on the 2 hour time frame, I can see that price hasn't actually tapped into the area of interest as I do want. So I actually need the perfect tap. Probably it should be able to reach the last higher of this 2 hour time frame, the perfect tap. So if I see the perfect tap, I'm just going to enter based on some confirmations, probably the engulfing bullish the bearish engulfing candle or the doji. Yes, that's my confirmations. Yes, so this USD, this Euro USD. Yes, so next thing we're going to the next pair, that's NZD JPY. So on NZD JPY, price is actually consolidating in this trend zone. You can perfectly see it on the daily time frame. I do have price to actually tap this trend line, couldn't hold it, came down, tap, couldn't hold it, went up. Price actually went up again. That means this area is being rejected several times, so it makes it very valid support and resistance level probably. So this is what I'm saying. So all I do want to see is the perfect break. This break should retest maybe the area of interest, then I'm going to sell this market. Yes, that's what I do want to see. That's NZD USD. I think I really like this trade very well. This trade could make me money this week. So going down, we do have GBP USD. On GBP USD, all I'm looking is to sell this market. So I think with the market and the 4 hour just shifted bullish. 4 hour is now bullish. 4 hour is now bullish. The daily is still bearish. With this trade, I don't know. I think I'm not interested in this trade anymore. Yeah, nah, I'm not interested in this trade. So let's go down to AED USD. So with AED USD, we do have a strong area of support and resistance, which has been reached more than 3 times. That makes it more valid. So all I do want to see is the perfect break and the retest. The reason why I do want to enter on the perfect break and retest, because I can spot this head and left shoulder on the daily time frame. The perfect shoulders and left, the shoulders and head pattern is actually the perfect one. So this actually look like the retreats. I think the they actually had a pair that actually did something like this. So price didn't actually give me what I actually wanted. That was the break and the retest of the area of interest. So I think this trade is a loss. So I actually didn't take this trade. It's Monday already. I actually had this analysis on Sunday. So I think, yeah, we're just gonna set and forget. So on USD JPY, on the daily time frame, we do have the perfect retest at the area of interest, which price is actually showing me my favorite candlestick. That's the doji candlestick. That means sellers were able to push this market down over here but couldn't hold it. So the buyers stepped in and trying their best to actually push the market up. So this actually a very nice trade. I'm just going to sell my alarm. I don't want to see the perfect break. Yes, I have my alarm set over there. So going down to the 4-hour time frame, indicating the 4 hours, you can see that the 4 hour is actually bearish. So we do want to see the 4 hour actually breaks this. The moment the 4 hour actually break this level, we are now bullish on the 4 hour time frame. So when the 4 hour actually breaks that level, we are now bullish. So if you are bullish, I'll just go down maybe the 30 minutes or the 1 hour time frame, trying to spot the perfect lower time frame retest to actually take this trade, a nice buy trade. Just going to target probably a 1:2 actually trade 1:2. I don't mix honestly, nah, because the market is actually going to do, nobody knows. So I do have my take profits 100 pips. I'm going to have this 30 pips. Always I make sure my stop loss are more likely like 30 pips, yes. That's so this trade, this is what I do want to see. Market actually gave me the break and the retest on the daily time frame nicely, but I need more confirmations. So I'll be going to the 1 hour or the 30-minute time frame to actually see something like this. Then I'll be interested to enter this trade probably. So I think I need to have this short. I need to have the short of this trade and upload it real quick. So I'm going to take the screenshot. Because this trade is actually too clean, bro. I can't lie. Download image. I think I need to have USD on top. Smart. So where were we? We are done with GBP USD. I'm coming. It's, yeah, we're done with GBP USD, AD USD. Yeah, we're done with AD USD. So now we do have a trade actually didn't give me the perfect what I actually wanted, so I think I didn't enter this trade, but this trade went to the take profits probably. So the reason why I wanted to enter this trade because I saw the double top pattern. I more likely trade patterns. Yeah, I like trading patterns, so I do have the double top pattern. So I needed the perfect retest at this neckline, which price didn't do, but rather retested the area of interest and continue its bearish trend. But it's all good. Yes. Sometimes you go and miss trades, sometimes you go and catch trades. Trades like this, you don't need to rush it because you can't just be trading based on patterns. Patterns are something that just bad. They are more like added confluence, but actually makes me money. So I needed the perfect retest at the neckline, but price didn't do it. Price just continue its bearish trend, but it's got all good. So I think I'm just gonna get this off my red list because price is all gone. I think this is now the daily lower low and the daily. So let me actually. So that's the daily lower high and this is the daily lower low. I always have this on to actually remember. It reminds me about price, so that anytime I look at the charts, I do see this thing. So I don't need to actually do a whole analysis all again. So now look at this. I think this trade I'll be interested if the buyers are to push this market to this area of interest, then push it more aggressively down. Yes, this one I don't want to see. I don't want to see the buyers to step in because the market needs to grab volatility, so they need to allow buyers to actually step in to do their thing, then continue to push this market aggressively down. Yes, this GBP USD, perfect. So our next pair is going to be, I think I'm done with AD USD. Yeah. GBP USD. Where were we at? Okay, I'm done with. So now at AUD card. So with AUD card, I'm also seeing the double top. This is the perfect double top on a daily time frame. The perfect double top. So what I do want to see is a break and the perfect retest. You see, one thing, I don't only trade patterns. I trade with my area of interest, and this trade is very clean. So the moment price actually breaks the area of interest, I also need to see the retest. So one thing, price is going to break the area of interest, and at the same time going to retest the area of interest and the neckline that actually has more confluences to this market and making this market more highly good trade. Yes, so this is what I do want to see, and I'm going to take this trade. I don't rush there that little move. I don't want to catch the big moves. That's what we do as swing traders. So this USD, that now this euro card, euro card. This trader is actually beautiful, bro. So the last pair is gonna be GBP and now I'm done with this analysis. Yeah, I think that's all. That's probably all the but with this trade like euro card, then I need to have it over here. So this trade is such a beautiful trade, I'm not gonna lie. Very beautiful trade. Yes. So thank you for watching. Always remember to subscribe and like and share to Smoke Forex. Yeah, I do know I'm a beginner forex trader, but I do have roughly and I do have a year experience in trading. I currently manage a 25k funded nest account with them. I do want to pass, so I'm still on it. I do know very soon I'm gonna get there. So this is the setup for this week. I do have USD JPY, Euro card, USD card, NZD, USD, Euro, I think Euro GBP also. This Euro USD, this NZD card, this GBP USD, AUD USD, then the last pair is GBP USD. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell to actually get new videos from Smoke Forex. This is what I'm going to do every week. I'm just going to drop my trades that I'm interested in it, and later on Saturdays I'm going to drop a video where trades that I analyze during the week, trades that actually went into loss, trade that I won. And don't forget, I do have a genuine app called Smoke Trade Journal. So this app is actually free. It actually helps you to track your trades. So currently I'm in a losing streak. Yeah, I do have two consecutive losses. I was actually risking 1.5 per trade, So yeah, that's it. You always need to stick with your risk to reward ratio. So this so the link for this app is going to be down in the description. This app, you can try it out. It's very good. It has an inbuilt AI assistant where you go ask him maybe my recent, you go and tap check check my quick shots my quick shot performance my quick shot performance. So it's going to analyze my quick shot. So quick shots is where you get to actually upload the before and after of some trade. You see, you do have some trade that are not going to actually enter into your empty file. So those trade can just upload the screenshots on quick shots, write a little note, then later just go edit it and add the after, maybe if it's a win or a loss. So quick short summary, I do have one win trade, one loss. I do have 5 pending. Yeah, actually I'm very lazy, like, so I have 5 which I haven't updated, I haven't written everything, nothing yet. So that's GBP, that's USD. I think, yeah, I'm gonna get back to this later. So don't forget the Smoke Forex. Thank you for watching. If anybody doesn't watch, I don't know, one day I myself I'm gonna watch this thing and be like, yo bro, I did well, I didn't give up, bro. Don't forget to subscribe.